Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Vinny the Handyman. Today's video is going to be freaking awesome, man. I had a friend whose grandson loves Lamborghinis. He's in awe with them. So we're going to make his day. I'm going to take him to school, drop him off, and just let him have fun in the car. Unfortunately, the school isn't very far from where he lives. So it's going to be a very short drive. Ooh, that exhaust sounds good. All right, anyhow, so he doesn't live too far from the school, so it's gonna be a quick trip, but we're going to make this experience awesome for this young man. So again, he's 10 years old. We're gonna go pick him up, take him to school, you know, pull up in front, show all his teachers and his schoolmates what it's like to ride a Lamborghini. So we're gonna have fun today with that. So stay tuned. Okay, so like I said, I'm gonna help out my buddy. His grandson loves Lamborghinis. Everybody loves Lamborghinis, and if you don't, you're weird anyway. So, okay, so like I said, I'm gonna go pick up this young man, make his day, give him the Lamborghini experience. I mean, we all wish we had that when we were kids. You know, how many of us saw Lamborghinis pass by, and you know, the guy just kept going. He didn't rev the engine for you or nothing. So anyhow, I wanted to break that and actually share my car with the community. I think I've said that in numerous videos. You know, I want to share my experience, share the love of the car with everybody else, and you get more joy out of that, you know. So I can't wait to see the smile on this little boy's face. It's going to be epic. I got my wife behind me following me, so she's going to be the filming. So thank you, Michelle, for helping me out. So the coolest thing about this car is seeing young adults' faces when you pull up. We're just in awe. And you know, I was that boy when I was younger. You guys probably felt the same way, or you might be that young boy right now. And I just always wanted to share that experience with somebody if I ever purchased a supercar. And now I get to do that. And now I want to share it with everybody, because that's what we're supposed to do, is share the love, right? So these cars are no fun if you just hoard them, keep them to yourself. Some of you guys might disagree, but you'd be surprised when you get the joy out of people. You know, when you let them experience the car, let them sit in it, let them touch it. You know, there's some car connoisseurs out there who disagree with me, and that's fine. This is what I do. Deal with it. All right, so it's a beautiful morning, guys, in Denver, Colorado. We just had snow last week, and now we're hitting the mid 60s. I think we're supposed to hit 70 degrees today, so it's gonna be awesome. So that's another reason why I want to take the car out. Living in Colorado, you can't always drive your supercars because of the snow, and that's okay. But as soon as we get a nice day, baby, I'm out. Oh, you found her, good. Okay, yeah. Is he outside yet?
No.
Okay, hold on. Wait till the wife gets everything set up.
Okay.
All right, guys, so I'm waiting in place right now. My wife is talking to Mark, and they're kind of setting up the camera positioning. So when I come down the street, they get a good angle of the car and his expression, the young man's expression. So that's gonna be fun. All right, so we're almost there, guys. Almost there. Just on standby. Okay, is he ready? Okay. All right, just have him sit. Just record everything. Okay, cool. Get his expression if you can. Okay. All right, love you. Bye. All right, so we're gonna go in convertible mode to pick him up. It's a beautiful day for the convertible. Woo! Oh, I love it, love it, love it. All right, here we go. Hey, Nicole. Hi, nice to meet you. I'm Ryan. Nice to meet you.
Nice to
That's my
meet
daughter, Nicole. My wife before I don't know. Explain to him how to go to school.
He's so excited.
Okay, I'll see you later, bro.
Oh, Grandpa's gone.
Take a ride. Oh, God, I don't think I can get out.
He is ready. Oh my goodness, he's so excited. I love it.
Is this the coolest thing ever? Oh,
Awesome.
this is so cool.
What do you think? Are you excited, Kaden? Yes. What grade are you? Fourth grade? Oh my goodness. You're going to be the coolest kid at school today. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited for you. Best day ever.
Oh, it's awesome. What? I don't know. We're going to let Grandpa sit on the other side. I was like, I'm tripping. Probably first and last time. My good buddy Mark here with his grandson. He loves Lamborghinis. And check it out. He's sitting inside. His first time. So I like the way check this out.
What an exciting day for Kaden.
It is for me too.
So cool.
Oh.
Hey, Kaden, next we're going to have to bring the Ferrari. Mom and Grandma.
Alright, now the hard part is getting out of it.
It's very low. Oh, yeah, no problem. What do you guys think?
That is so awesome.
Yes,
Thank you for
you're
doing
welcome.
this.
Yes,
I
absolutely.
appreciate it.
Yes. We're excited to do it.
Thank you.
Yes.
Ready to rock and roll?
He's ready.
Nice to meet you guys. Okay.
Okay, because I'm going to keep it.
Alright, buddy.
Okay, so we're going to... All right, Kaden. He's getting ready for school. Oh, you're welcome. This is so fun. He's off. Hi, Kaden.
Is that cool? Yes. Alright, my man. You ready? Yes. Alright. Bye, guys. Wave. Bye. You should do a flyby by your mom real fast, huh? All right, man. Have you been dreaming about sitting in a Lamborghini? This is like the coolest experience ever, huh? You go to school with them? What do you think your friends are going to say when they see you?
I don't know.
Ooh. And what about your teachers? Whoa. We gotta watch out for speed bumps because this car sits slow. I used to work with your grandpa. So what's the best Lamborghini that you like? Okay, well they got the Lamborghini Aventadors, they got the Huracan, and the Gallardo. The Huracan's cool, huh? I want one of those so bad. And what grade are you in? 4th grade. And you love school? Yes. That's awesome. So was it a complete surprise this morning I was coming? Have you seen my YouTube channel before? You have? Okay, good. It's not the best, but I'm working on it. Good. We're almost there, buddy. Woo. Are you a little nervous? A little bit? You are going to be the talk of the school today. All right, we're getting a little closer. So what do you want to be when you grow up? An artist. Good for you. You set your mind to it, you can do it. Well, guess what? You'll probably be the famous artist. All right. Let's see here. Where do I drop you off? Oh, do I go right here? Oh. Go, buddy. Whoa! There, drop off. Here we go. Wow. This is so exciting, huh? I'm so happy for you. It gives me a lot of joy seeing you smile, okay? Wow, what a beautiful school you have here. Where's that? Really?
There's my friends.
Oh, cool. You want to show your friends the car? You can go grab them. Here, I'll help you out here in a second.
Okay. Let's go.
Be dropped off at school in a Lamborghini.
Exciting.
Yeah? Is this pretty cool or what? Best day ever?
Yes, it's the best day ever.
Love it.
No.
Wow. You got to ride in it today. Is that cool? Yes.
You've got to give me a ride.
No, it's going to be on YouTube.
You've got to give me a ride. You don't. I gotta go.
Well, everyone's scared that for me. Your friends that want to meet you too? Just made your day, huh? Nice to meet you. All right, you take care of yourself, buddy, okay? I'm proud of you. Hang in there, okay? All right, buddy. You're awesome. All right, buddy. Be good, be safe. I'll see you around, okay? All right, God bless you.
We surprised Kaden. It was a complete success. We are so excited that we were able to share this moment with you guys today. Thank you so much. The look on his face was just priceless. So this is something that we will carry with us throughout our journey. We are so blessed to be able to share this car, not only with you guys, but also with our young followers too. So thank you so much. Again, Kaden was so excited to see this car and ride in it to school, and I believe this is probably one of the best days ever that he's probably ever gonna have. So thank you so much again, Grandma, Grandpa, Mom. Thank you for allowing us to pick up your son, your grandson, and share this beautiful moment with them. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe, and we will see you guys on the next adventure. Bye.